Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Cadillac XT5 battery. Before you begin, always turn off your vehicle's power supply to ensure safety. You will need a 10mm and a 13mm socket, along with a drive extension. It's also wise to wear safety gloves and eye protection. For convenience, a memory saver can help retain your vehicle's electronic settings, preventing the loss of radio presets or other data. The Cadillac XT5 battery is found under the hood, positioned on the driver's side. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable using your 10mm socket. This is a crucial safety step. Next, carefully unclip and move the negative terminal sensor out of the way. Then, remove the two 10mm bolts that hold the main tie-down bracket in place, allowing you to lift it off. Now, open the red positive terminal cover to reveal the connections. You'll need to disconnect 4 uppermost wires, using both 10mm and 13mm sockets. After that, remove the main positive cable with a 10mm socket, followed by the positive battery terminal from the distribution box using a 13mm socket. Unclip the distribution box, then remove the 13mm bolt for the battery's base hold-down bracket. With these steps complete, you can carefully lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, carefully place your new Group H7 AGM battery into the compartment. Reinstall all components by reversing the removal steps, ensuring everything is securely fastened. Connect the positive terminal and its associated cables first, then attach the negative terminal and its sensor. Finally, it's a good idea to test your alternator. A healthy reading should be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts to confirm proper charging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.